For the first one, we're going to divide a 2-digit divided by a 1-digit using the partial quotient, or what we call it here in the classroom is called the big 7. Okay, we set it up by making a big 7. All right, we put the dividend inside, which is the biggest number. We put the divisor on the outside, and our quotient will go at the top. The next step is we need to make a T-chart of our multiplication facts. Since we are dividing by a 2-digit divided by a 1-digit, we will make a T-chart with just in the ones place. So we're going to multiply by 5s. I remind the students to go ahead and make this your ones place at this point. So I'm going to put 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 5 is 30, 7 times 5 is 35, 8 times 5 is 40, and 9 times 5 is 45. Now I'm going to look for a number that is smaller than 89. I want the biggest number that's smaller than 89. So I always start at the bottom and I work my way up. So normally I'll just tell the students to tell me to stop when a number is less than 89. So they'll say stop. 45 is less than 89, so I'm going to put 45 here. I'm going to draw a big line, and over here I'm going to put 9 because that's what we multiply to get the 45. So it would be like 5 times 9 is 45. Now I'm going to subtract. I use 45 of the 89. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now again, I'm going to do it again. This time I'm looking for a number smaller than 44. I'm going to start at the bottom so I get the biggest and stop. 40 is smaller than 44, so I'll draw the line. I multiplied by 8, and now I'm ready to subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. I'm looking now for a number smaller than 4. I do not have one. My lowest number is a 5. So now I know that this is going to be my leftovers or my remainder. Okay? So now I need to add these two numbers. And 9 plus 8 is 17. And that is our answer, 17 with our remainder 4.